Okay, I want to cover registering a domain name. Actually, first step is finding a domain name. I personally like to use networksolutions.com here. There's probably some other options, but this is just what I use, and it works for me. So that's what I know and what I can demonstrate for you. Please excuse the background noise if you hear any. I'm sitting in a coffee shop as usual, and so you may hear all kinds of stuff in the background. Anyway, I want to create a domain name or register a domain name for. Actually, all I want it to do is redirect to another website, but I want it to be my own domain name. So I want to register one for WordPress hosting. So I'm sure this one's taken, but let's try some other variations. Host your WordPress site. You can separate them with commas. Do multiple. This is one reason I use Network Solutions, because you can do multiple searches at once. I've never figured out how to do that on GoDaddy, but there may be a way. I just don't know of it. Let's see. I want to pause here a minute. I'll do a few more, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I've entered a few options here. WordPress hosting. I'm sure that's taken, but we'll find out. Host your WordPress site. My-word-press-host, WordPress-host, and my WordPress host. So let's see if we get lucky. Any of these might work, but a good chance that one or all of them are taken. And we do have a few available. Host your WordPress site is available. My WordPress host with the dashes is available, and my WordPress host is available. And the .com. Now I really only look at the .coms. I don't care about .nets, .orgs, .whatever. The only domains I usually ever register are the .coms. But if these other domain names are going to become more and more popular, the .us's, us.com, info. If you can find a good domain name in those at those extensions, then and you have the money, go ahead and register it. But for my purposes, I'm just going to try to stick with the .coms. Okay. So of these, I think I prefer mywordpresshost.com. And so I found a domain name, and I'm going to go register it somewhere else. Do not register it at Network Solutions. They'll charge you too much, and it's just a pain. So anyway, I'll do another video on registering your domain name at GoDaddy.